A legacy of excellence. A reputation built on trust. Advanced Hair Studio has always set the standard in hair restoration. Trusted by celebrities, adored by clients, and dedicated to delivering only the best. AHS has always been at the forefront of hair care innovation. Now, we proudly introduce Salon by Advanced Hair Studio, where luxury meets innovation. Our premium services are designed with your unique needs in mind, combining state-of-the-art technology with personalized care to create results that are nothing short of extraordinary, crafted for you and your loved ones. Salon brings to life the AHS promise of natural beauty, confidence, and the finest hair care services for you and your loved ones, delivered by an expert team who believes in nothing less than perfection. As a special gift to our cherished clients, their family and friends, we're offering an exclusive 10% launch and New Year offer, valid for a limited time only. This is your moment to experience the best that AHS and Salon have to offer. A new chapter in hair care with the same unmatched legacy of trust and excellence. Don't wait. Book your appointment today, because at Salon, we believe in nothing less than the best for you. Salon, the future of grooming now in your city.